It's finally here.
Dude, yeah. So excited.
Years in the making.
Everyone's gonna be able to see what it's like.
Literally transformative. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with my little brother Steven, who you guys probably recognize because I featured him in so many facials on this series. And I'm just so excited to finally be sitting down and filming this. It's been such a long time since I have been wanting to release this baby over here. And I can't wait to kind of share a little bit more into Steven's journey, how I even created the product. So I just wanted to sit with you and have you share with everyone from your experience, your skin story.
In high school, middle school, I was constantly teased and made fun of for my unnormal skin. You know, all these names I was called: pepperoni face, oily, all these horrible names. The state of my skin wasn't where I wanted it. I was so tired of these names I was being called, and I wanted to find a solution because it was getting to the point where it was like mentally affecting me. My skin was in such a horrible state that I didn't even want to go outside. I didn't want to go to school. I wanted to skip school for weeks just because it was constantly these breakouts, just weeks on end, and I just couldn't take it anymore. Looking all over YouTube, online, I couldn't really find anything for my specific skin. That's when you came to me with this new product, and I was like, let me try that.
My brother Steven has been testing my product. This one I was inspired to make because I wanted to make it for anyone with texture or pimples, and anyone that's been following me knows, Steven, I've been giving you facials for years and I've really helped you get your skin clear. Mm-hmm. So this was created an inspiration for those that have similar concerns to my brother.
You know, through all the stages that we went through of the product, we finally landed on something that worked, and I was just so amazed with how fast it was healing my skin. I tried it out and it worked like a charm. It's really all I've been using now. I think you just gave me the solution on my problems. I was like, wow, I wish this was in the hands of everyone. So I think this is just really the product for everyone out there dealing with whatever kind of skin conditions it may be. This is it.